All right, friends, correctly remember that player C scored the greatest number of points among the 4 friends, exactly 2 of the 4 rounds. All right, so look at round 1. Round 1, let me get my pencil working. Round 1, C is the greatest. Round 1. Who won round 2? C won round 2. Now, she can only do that twice. That means this X value has got to be, she can't win round 3. And the biggest number in round 3 is 61, so that means X has got to be less than 61. In round 4, this player B won. Okay. Now, what else do I know? She scored she scored a greater number of points in round 3 than she did in each of the other rounds. Okay, round 3, she scores more than the other. And let me see, and she scored a greater number of points in round 3 than she did any other round. So that means that's got to be greater than 55, because the most she scored was in round 2, and that was 55. So this is going to be greater than 55. All right, so go to your questions at the bottom. Player C, round 3 score was 43. No, her round 3 score is somewhere in between, it's 56 to 60. So that's inconsistent, not consistent. And then player C's round 3 score was 58. Yeah, it could be 58 because it's greater than 55 and less than 61. And then player C won the game. For her to win the game, she has to beat 225. And the greatest number she could have here is 60. And 60 plus 154 is 214. So that's inconsistent. She's not going to get up to 225.